When the current is flowing in the circuit, we have categorized it certain classes, and accordingly we have picked adjectives to that current. Like you might have here DC current, AC current, instantaneous current. These are the different classes, and we will just get introduced that. So the first thing is DC current, direct current. In a circuit, current is flowing in such a way that its magnitude and direction remain constant. If I make a graph, then this is current I and this is time t. For one time, this is the current. For next 1 second, same is the current. Third second, same is the current value. So this is the graph. Now this graph shows that magnitude is not changing and it is in one direction, positive direction. So this graph shows it is only in one direction. This is DC current, and normally our source for DC current is a chemical cell. This chemical cell, if this is our bulb or machine, the current will keep on following here. If every 1 second, let's suppose there are 2 coulomb charges are flowing, if for 1 second there are 2 coulomb charge are flowing, in the second 2 coulomb charge flowing, in the third second 2 coulomb charge flowing. Same magnitude of current is here. This is known as DC current, and this is the graph of current. DC current or direct current. In a circuit, current is following in such a way that its magnitude and direction remain constant. Then second is variable current. As appeared with the name, its magnitude will keep changing over time, and this is the graph of variable current. So variable current magnitude keep changing over time, that is variable current. Third is instantaneous current, that is instant for a small time. These are normally charging and discharging current. When we have a capacitor and we fit it with the battery, with the cell, and from here switch on, complete the circuit. When we switch it on, charge flow from here. There are no charge on this capacitor, so initially charge go very fast, but once some charge filled up, these charge start repelling the new charge. then the speed become very less. But after some time, when voltage of this become equal to voltage of this, the flow of charge stop. Initially, current is high. After some time, current become less, and after some time, it's stop. How much is that time? The time is very small, and if we make a graph of it, we find that current is like this. Initially, with the time, the current is very high. As the time pass, the current become less, and it almost reach zero. So, time is very small. Then we will call it instantaneous. Again, we have this capacitor, and which is full of charge. We connect it with the flash of our camera and close this circuit. This is switch. Close the circuit. The moment we close the circuit, all the charge rush toward negative with full speed. When all the charge will come here, no more charge, no more current, and this takes a very small time. We call it discharging because the capacitor is discharged. Here, this is known as charging because we are charging a capacitor. Both are instantaneous current. This is DC current, graph of DC current, variable current, instantaneous current, and the most important is alternating current. In alternate current, what happen? Current increase and down. Magnitude is changing and direction is also changing. Such current is known as alternating current. And what will be its definition? Its definition will be it's changing its magnitude at every instant, and after a certain period it changes its direction. So it changes its direction periodically, and it changes its magnitude at every instant. Such current is known as alternating current, and that is the current we are using at home. So that is alternating current. Alternating current. In this current, magnitude change continuously and the direction change periodically. One thing continuously and one thing periodically. I make a graph here. When current will flow in this direction, then I will say it positive direction, positive current. When the current will flow in this direction, I will say it negative current, opposite direction. So initially current is 0. Then current flow in positive direction and increase, then it decrease, then it flow in reverse direction, it is again 0, it increase and then decrease, it is again 0. So this is a graph for alternating current or AC current. This AC current we will study in separate chapter. These are 4 types of current.